Hey, this is Alex, and in this short little video I want to show you how 4 key elements are key to high-performing sales organizations and how you can move towards that starting today. And with these 4 at the core of a data-centric strategy, sales reps can immediately benefit from a prioritized list of accounts to hit their quota, engage at the right accounts at the right time with the right message without having to do a bunch of extensive research, and it can help you drive CRM and Salesforce adoption through better data and better targets. And throughout my sales career, I've always found that those pieces were especially difficult. But today, being mapped to more than 10,000 accounts, I leverage Datafox internally to help me save time and be more productive. And I believe Datafox addresses all 4 of these areas, and you'll see here why in less than 2 minutes. So the first is, prioritization is a key component of that data strategy. Datafox is an account intelligence tool, and is the only data tool on the market today that incorporates any data from all the sources that you have, like Salesforce and these other tools, to create dynamic scoring to help teams prioritize their efforts. Companies spend so much time and effort to capture all this data, and it's why companies like Taylor Corporation, who bought Datafox, despite having more than 7 different data tools, chose Datafox in order to use those data sources to rank and prioritize their top accounts. And without proper scoring, imagine hundreds of your reps and SDRs are pulling contacts against highly unlikely to buy accounts. That's a lot of wasted spend and unneeded spend. Not to mention, every year, sales departments lose 27% of sellers' time per rep from bad data. So let me ask you, how much would your company benefit from 550 better spent hours per sales rep? So number 2 is, once reps have their core list of accounts to target, engaging with the right message and at the right time is key. And it's why Datafox helped one of our other customers, Iterable, jump their deal size by 22% after launching. So with more than 70 different signal types to filter on, your reps can easily see growth, financial, people, competitor signals, new product launches, staff members leaving, and more for their whole patch inside of a simple view, and you can expose that in Salesforce. And so before reps have even said hello, they'll have the intel that they need, or what's going to resonate with that prospect to build more meaningful relationships with that contact and at the company. The third piece is growing your potential universe of accounts. And with the help of Datafox Insights Report, you can quickly understand what makes up your ideal prospect and ideal customer profiles, and run a match of that ideal profile against the more than 9 million companies in our database. And then with a click of a button, easily sync those new targets over to Salesforce and have the reps go prospect into them. And one of our customers, Twilio, did just that. They found 1,500 target accounts per week. And typically what I find in the B2B space is just one of those net new logos will pay for the entirety of the Datafox subscription for the entire year. And finally, to further help your reps automate their workflows, Datafox can easily flow all that signal and trusted data over to Salesforce or anywhere you choose, ensuring consistent naming conventions, correct headquarter locations, correct revenue employee counts for segmentation, and just generally better data. And ideally, all 4 of these are exposed inside of Salesforce, which makes it the source of truth and a hub for reps to then use. And Datafox comes out of the box natively integrated to Salesforce, which means there's no implementation costs, and reps can stay inside their familiar interfaces so that they can ensure a better workflow. And as someone who started my career in sales ops and continue to be in sales today, let us show you how you can improve your sales team's performance and productivity and have your reps thank you for it. So take care, and we'll talk soon.